Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your boy Hood Diggity, the Rock Reactor, back with another video. Yes, sir. Before I proceed, let me know where you tapping in from. Let me know what country, what city, what mountain, what hill, what cave, what island, what planet, what universe. Let me know where you at. Represent your hood. Yes, sir. We got the police cam. Well, this is just a camera. This is not actually, this is a court cam, guys. This is a crazy one. I just seen the headlines, guys. And I said, you know what? I gotta check this out, man. I gotta put this out there, man. This is crazy. I love to make people laugh. This is, of course, and I love to laugh myself. I love funny shit, guys. I love serious shit, but I like funny shit because you always have to laugh, guys. It's part of my collagen prescription medicine. You need to laugh from time to time, especially when you're getting old like me. Now, this one is girl gets caught doing the knacky, 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 knack, 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 as we call it here, the knack, 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 on Zoom court, guys. Let's get right to it because I'm excited. I'm just dying to see this. I'm fucking nervous. I don't even know what to say, but this is going to be crazy. Let's get right to it, guys. And before we do, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit the like button. Any donations to my channel will be greatly appreciated. My PayPal account is on the screen. Let's get right to it, guys. Let me just fix this up. Let me just fix this up right here. Here we go. Here we go. You guys know the drill already. Let me hook this up. Let me hook this up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this.
Court Uncut. What the people want.
Court Uncut.
Morning, Your Honor. For the record, Brian Stacy, P33014. State your name.
Caitlin Quinn.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates that she's going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of methamphetamine, the 1 year.
Okay, so right there, what starts as a normal day in Judge Simpson court soon takes a turn. Let's go.
Offense upon her successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. That's, of course, full understanding of the.
That's accurate, Judge. I have had an opportunity to explain to my client her rights in detail. I believe she understands them, and at this time, knowingly, voluntarily waive them and lay a factual basis to the added count.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear in the firm?
Okay, so you said things starts to get interesting. So I'm going to be focused on her. We need to be focused on her, guys. This is crazy.
The testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State your name, please.
Caitlin Quinn.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of methamphetamine. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration at $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty. Guilty, Your Honor.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
See right there, she left the camera angle right there. She left the camera.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct? Or had one signed on your behalf?
Yep. Yes, Your Honor. Yep.
All right. Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up those rights on that form,
Yes, Your Honor.
particularly the rights contained in paragraph 5. If you look on the podium, you'll see a copy of the advice of rights. Understand you're giving up those rights as well as
Look, right there, right there. She getting it right there, guys. She getting that ding-a-ling right there.
all the rights that are contained on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are
Yes,
you,
Your
you
Honor.
understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what the
See, he laughing, guys. Hold up. I saw something come on camera. Hold up. Hey, he laughing.
all right. Has anybody promised?
See, look, he's smiling right there. What is that? That's a hand. I thought it was something else, guys. I got kind of scared.
Promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, Your Honor.
and of your own free will.
Look, is she holding on to something? So she moving back. She rocking back. Oh, my God.
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the date of September 4th, 2025,
She left the camera angle here? Hold up, guys. She left the camera angle on this one. I'm moving this camera because I want to make sure that everything is shown. Yeah, let me stay right here. Let me stay right here. Hold up.
On Hogback Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you have methamphetamine in your possession?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you use it?
I did, Your Honor.
And did you know what you were using was methamphetamine?
What is she
I did, Your
doing?
Honor.
See, look, she rocking back and forth, guys.
Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between, as defined by the Michigan court rules, between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing,
Look. See, she keep rocking and she making faces.
you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You
You know what's crazy? How is it nobody else noticed? How is these two? How is it that these two don't notice?
understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats,
Okay, so it says according to the act, we can't see it. I guess they're blurring it, guys, but I think that's what she makes it obvious right there.
or other inducements which have led to this plea?
Defense is not aware of any, Judge,
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
and defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count two. Count one is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A1. Probation sentencing will be set for February 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's before me.
And that's here, Judge, correct?
That is correct.
And Your Honor, can I address bond?
Briefly,
Judge, briefly, my client
Look at her. She making faces. She making that, she making that face.
has no prior offenses. The test did come back, the one that she appealed, and it showed the progress report. It said victims report negative for fentanyl. And I think that was one of the issues that the court kept her. And I think she would acknowledge that she did use
No.
cocaine after.
no, there's, well, go ahead, Counsel.
No, and I think she would acknowledge that she used cocaine after being placed on bond
Look at her face, guys. She got that crocodile face. Oh!
initially when you put her in jail. She's been in jail since January 8th.
Ooh.
And she
Look at her face.
also, Judge, has been diagnosed. She was taken to the hospital while in custody for gallstones. Apparently she does not have any gallstones, but she has blood in her urine, and the doctors believe that she has kidney stones. So she does need medical attention.
Yeah, she need medical attention, all right. She probably doesn't because she's getting injected right now.
And she was hoping her daughter's 15 years old. She's homeschooled, and her grandmother is 86 years old, and she's been diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and she was hoping to move in with her, and her daughter would be with her and to help take care of her grandmother. Her mother, I believe, is.
Are you going to be able to test clean if I let you out?
Yes, sir.
She's not even on camera angle. I mean, look, it's all darkened and shit.
I've learned my lesson, Your Honor.
Yeah, she learned her lesson. Hold on, guys. Let me watch that a little bit. I learned my lesson, Your Honor.
Well,
Yes, sir. I've learned my lesson, Your Honor.
Yeah, you did.
I'll reinstate her previous bond with the testing, and so she'll be released on PR.
Thank you very much for your consideration today, Judge. You have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Fresh hour. Bond will continue.
Your Honor, I did have one
And now she's smoking. She's smoking. You're probably done already.
request renewed from the last time we were here. Ms. Burnside has a pretty severe cut. I know the probation, the testing facility, Keith over there had checked it. He has recommended her, and I believe he's going to accompany her to medical for that. They did switch the leg, but based on that, would the court be willing to transfer to the sober link and a release of that tether?
Response from the people.
Judge, we've asked, being photo matter and explained, Mr. Heaton did give us a possible sentencing date of February 12th. And then Judge.
That date can be moved up. I'm not moving it up because I don't have a date.
Fair enough.
So you guys can do that. And if you can get it moved up, then that's fine. And I'm not going to remove the tether. Her bond will continue as is. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I just need a form on that.
Yep.
Court does call the case People versus Marquetta Clement.
See, it's going in and out, guys. It's going in and out. It's the video. It's going in and out. They're trying to figure out what they're gonna do. Okay, he mutes while he's alerted to what is going on in his court. See, he laughing right here. Look at his reaction. See, he laughing. He can't help but laugh, guys. I actually thought it was my shit that was fucked up, but he's actually just laughing. Let me move this. Hold up, guys. This is crazy. Move myself down here. Look, he actually laughing. He muted it, but he laughing. He don't know what the hell to do. Look. He cracking up. And everybody there is laughing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Alexis Earps with and on behalf Ms. Brosgala, who I believe should be appearing on Zoom.
Gala,
Oh, boy.
need you to unmute and state your name.
Okay. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Jessica Bruscella.
Your Honor, we'd be requesting an adjournment this time. There's some more.
She's gonna need to, let me just stop you. She's gonna need to appear in person. We've had a problem with this defendant. We've kicked her out of our courtroom. I think on 2 occasions. She's come back in. She was smoking.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't her. Like this guy's blind. He's insulting the judge's intelligence.
Folks, my staff has reported that was you. And
No,
it
that-
appeared as though you were having sex on the screen.
No.
I think you said no. Of course she ain't gonna admit it.
Well, it was interesting. The reason I took a break was to go back and look at the video. And my
okay.
staff reported it to me, and it did appear that that's what was occurring. So what I am going to do, not on the defendant's motion, I'm going to adjourn this out to next week, the 5th. You'll have to appear in person, ma'am. That
Okay.
way we can assure you're not smoking and not having sex while you're in court. Thank you. Bond will continue.
Wow.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. You should see the video.
Oh
right.
my God.
Thank you. Mute her and get her out of my court.
Oh my God. Guys, this is a laughing matter. I'm gonna stop it right there because this is we really laugh at this, but in regardless, but at the end of the day, this is something that's sad, guys. It's something that's sad. You can't even hold yourself. I mean, you can't. And whoever is you having sex with doesn't give a fuck about you. Obviously, doesn't care at all about you because they know that you could get in trouble, you could get sentenced, you could get who knows what charges they could use. Lucky the judge didn't apply no charges, but sometimes you got these charges that apply that you don't even know exist. And it was funny. I mean, it was funny. I laughed. It was crazy. Yes, Your Honor. I've learned my lesson, Your Honor. It's funny. But the fact that you do that, and then you got kids that someday probably watch this video that's on YouTube. I mean, we need to do better, guys. We need to remember that our kids are going to grow up and our kids is going to see all this shit, all this bullshit we've documented. And they're going to see and they're going to hear about all of our stupid actions, guys. And it's not good. We need to do better, especially as parents, guys. We definitely need to do better. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. And, of course, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like button. Any donations to my channel will be greatly appreciated. My PayPal account is on the screen. May God help us all. Peace, love, and God bless.